PAN, Personal Area Network. A PAN is the smallest type of network. It connects devices in a very short range, just a few meters. Examples? Connecting your phone to Bluetooth headphones, using NFC to pay at a shop, or sending files to your laptop with a USB cable. It's a network just for you and your devices. LAN, Local Area Network. LAN connects multiple devices in a small space, like a home, office, or school. It usually uses Ethernet cables to keep things fast and stable. All the computers in an office using one shared printer, that's a LAN. It's great for fast file transfers, gaming, and sharing devices. WLAN, Wireless LAN. BOA LAN is just like a LAN, but wireless. This is your home Wi-Fi. Your phone, laptop, and smart TV all connected to one router. That's a WLAN. It gives you flexibility, but it may have more lag than wired networks. CAN, Campus Area Network. A CAN connects multiple buildings in one area, like a university or hospital. So students in dorms can access the digital library, or hospital staff can share patient records, all on the same network. Only authorized users can connect. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN covers a whole city. It uses fiber optic cables or towers to link different networks together. Your citywide internet or emergency communication systems may use MAN, but if a tower goes down, communication can be lost. WAN, Wide Area Network. WAN is the biggest network of all. It connects cities, countries, and even continents. The internet is the best example of a WAN. It uses undersea cables and satellites to link millions of devices globally. PN, Virtual Private Network. VPN creates a secure, encrypted connection over any network. It hides your location and protects your data. People use VPNs to stay private online or access websites that are blocked in their country. SAN, Storage Area Network, is used by big companies to store huge amounts of data. It connects servers directly to storage devices using high-speed links. Companies like Amazon and Google use SAN to manage and access data fast and securely. And that's every type of computer network, explained simply. Which one do you use every day? Let us know in the comments.